Three boys are standing at a construction site. One of them is spinning a football on his index finger. Childline presents Education Counts. In the school playground, some boys are playing football. Roshan is the goalkeeper of the blue team. Two boys are running behind the ball. Then a boy of the red team kicks the ball towards the goalpost. The ball hits Roshan's head and he falls down.
Go. Get the ball.
Roshan gets up and walks. Roshan is climbing the compound wall. He is surprised by seeing the workers at the construction site, where a man is adjusting the cement bucket on a boy's head and a girl is carrying bricks on her head. Then suddenly, a boy with a trolley full of bricks passes beside him, and then he looks back and watches another boy playing with the ball. He throws the ball back towards Roshan.
Hey, thanks. You're good. No. I'm Ajay. I'm Roshan. Will you join my team? No way. These are all childish games. I have a job.
A girl on the opposite side notices a gunny bag falling and alerts Ajay. He pushes Roshan behind.
You're okay, na?
Roshan is looking confused.
Thanks again, yaar.
Hey! What the hell is happening there? Back to work!
Gotta rush. Work, Hey! Meet me at Babu's chai stall! 6 evening!
Roshan is smiling with the ball in his hand. At 6 in the evening, Roshan is at Babu's chai stall. Sachin, while cleaning the table, drops the glass of milk by mistake.
Hey, what are you lazy bones? Stop spilling milk everywhere. It all goes out of your salary, clumsy fellow.
Sorry, sab. Sorry, yaar. Was so caught up. Busy day, Salam Ajay bhaiya. Chai? Tea? No. I don't. Hey, don't bother. It's my treat. Too special, oi!
Roshan gives a book to Ajay.
Thanks for the ball. And saving me. I do it all the time. Bhaiya, you're special. Did you speak to the supervisor about me? I've been busy. I'll let you know. Arey, this Sachin is in the wrong business, yaar. Makes half the money I do.
Ajay confusingly looks at the book, holding it upside down. Then Roshan turns it correctly.
Sorry, I didn't know you can't... Why do you go to school? So that you can work and make money, right? Well, I'm already doing that. Experience counts, dude. Change? Keep it.
Roshan and Sachin look at Ajay as he leaves. Next morning at Roshan's house,
Beta, get up. The bus will be here soon, beta. Hurry up.
Roshan's mother is shocked seeing him in a worker's cap with a headlight and a bag full of tools.
Fancy dress competition today.
No, Ma, I'm not going to school today.
But why?
Why do we go to school anyway? I'm going directly to work, Ma. Experience counts.
What work?
With Ajay, who works at the construction site. I want to earn my own money.
What? Do you know that children are forbidden to work? All children need to be in school.
Huh? Really?
Ajay is working with scratches on his hand. Roshan taps his shoulder and Ajay starts crying.
Hi, friend. Who did this to you? Ajay, we have laws to protect children. Your supervisor needs to be taught a lesson. Are you mad? He will... No, he won't ever be able to hurt you again. I promise you. But I will lose my job. You should be in school. At your age, education counts. Experience doesn't. Now, do you trust me?
The boys are at the telephone booth while Roshan dials.
10, 9, 8. 10, 9, 8? Yes, this is Childline's number. 10, 9, 8. They help children like you.
Roshan, you did a noble thing. All children under 18 have rights for protection, participation and development.
What does that mean?
Just like Roshan, you too have a right to education, without which you and Sachin will continue to remain poor. This creates a vicious circle of poverty, unhappiness, and illness. A healthy childhood helps you develop real skills.
Ajay is a great football player.
Yes, he could grow up to play for our country.
And what am I good at? We will need to send you to school to find that out.
Those who use child laborers claiming to help them actually do it because children cost them less and work more than adult workers.
Ajay and Sachin's employers are arrested.
Crooks.
The next day at school, Roshan and Ajay are playing football. Ajay scores a goal.
Yes! Bhaiya, did you speak to the coach? Can I be in your team?
The Child Labour Protection and Regulation Act 1986 prohibits child labour for children under 14. Anyone who makes children work may be jailed for 6 months and or fined a minimum of 10,000 rupees. Childline 1098 is a national emergency 24/7 phone outreach service for children in need of care and protection. Call 1098 if you see a child in distress. A small boy runs towards a telephone booth and picks up the receiver. Childline 1098, night and day. www.childlineindia.org.in. This film is supported by the Department of Women and Child Development, Government of Karnataka.